Friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Vlogtober, and on this channel I share videos on food and business. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In today's video I'll be showing how to make this simple, yummy, appetizing meal, yam chips and omelette, and everyone that had it loved it. I'm sure you will love it too. Here are the ingredients we'll be needing for this recipe. We'll be needing some onions, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green pepper, and carrots. We'll also be needing tomatoes, curry and thyme, and some mixed spices. In this case I use the YAM brand. If you're in Nigeria, this is easily accessible. You can easily find this in the market. Then we'll also be needing some eggs and yam. We'll start out by frying the yam until it is fully cooked and crispy. Now we'll proceed to make the omelette. Start by heating up some vegetable oil in a saucepan. Add your onions and fresh tomatoes and allow it to saute for a few minutes before adding your spices. Now let me talk about the amazing benefits of eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of high quality protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly B vitamins like B12, which are crucial for brain function and energy metabolism. And of course, they are packed with choline, a nutrient that supports memory and brain health. So you need to incorporate eggs into your meals. Even for your children, eggs are also very good for children. After adding all the spices, the next thing you want to do is to introduce the different vegetables. Now let's discuss the amazing benefits of vegetables. We are using a mix of bell peppers and carrots and onions, and these vegetables are a great source of fiber, vitamins and antioxidants. They can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall well-being. Plus they add fantastic flavor and color to your omelette. Can you see how colorful this is already looking? It looks so colorful and yummy also. So when you have introduced your vegetables and cook for about a minute, introduce your egg and stir a little bit. Then cover up your pot and allow to cook on medium heat until properly done. You can have your omelette with a whole lot of other meals. You can have it with your yam chips, you can have it with your french fries or bread, plantain, a lot. And that's what makes this dish so versatile. Let me know in the comment section what you'd love to enjoy your omelette with, and let me also know if you're going to be trying out this recipe. It's time to plate our vegetable omelette. Gently release it into a flat plate, just like I did, or you can fold it into two, just depends. You can also slice it and serve with any meal of your choice. You can also have that alone if you want to. In conclusion, eggs and vegetables are a dynamic duo that offer an array of health benefits. Combining them in a veggie omelette not only makes for a sumptuous breakfast, but also helps you kickstart your day with essential nutrients. If you enjoyed this recipe and the information I shared about the benefits of eggs and vegetables, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And remember, a nutritious breakfast can set the tone for a healthy day ahead. Thanks for joining in, and until we see next time, I wish you a happy cooking. Thank you.